Dear students, in this video we are going to learn about venation in leaves, simple and compound leaves, and the modifications of leaves. Now students, we are going to learn venation in leaves. There are two types of venation in leaves. They are called parallel venation and reticulate venation. Parallel venation, in which the veins run along the leaf in parallel lines. The lines or the veins are parallel to each other. Such a leaf shows the parallel venation. Parallel venation is a characteristic of the monopod plants. We can see parallel venation in maize, rice, jowar, bajra, the bamboo, plants such as coconut, arecanut, palm plants. In all these we can find parallel venation. Second one is reticulate venation or reticulated venation, in which there is a main vein in the middle. From the main vein or the midrib, there are many side veins arise. The side veins again divides into smaller veins or the netted veins. They look like a network-like structure. Such a leaf is called a reticulate leaf, or the venation is reticulated venation. The reticulated venation is a characteristic of dicot plants. All dicot plants have a reticulate venation. Now students, we want to learn about a simple leaf and a compound leaf. In the simple leaf, a stalk that will be directly attached to the node on the stem, and it has a single lamina with a midrib. The leaves such as the peepal, hibiscus, mango, all these are simple leaves. In compound leaves, there is the leaf having a single stalk, but the lamina is divided into many leaflets, many small leaves called the leaflets. We know that the leaves of touch-me-not plant, the leaves of tamarind, and the leaves of rose plant, all these are compound leaves, or the leaves of meaty neem, they are also compound leaves. The main leaf is divided into small leaflets. Now students, the leaf modifications. From the base of the leaves, a coiled structure that arises, that is called leaf tendril. Sometimes the tip of the leaves modified into tendrils. That is actually for giving support to the plant for climbing. Plants like peas, lentils have leaf tendrils. These give support to the plant for climbing and clutching on a support. These structures twining on the support and help the plant to climb. Now students, in the second modifications, the leaves are modified into spines, as in xerophytes or desert plants. The spines, the leaves change into spines which reduce the rate of transpiration. Thus, there is the prevention of water loss from the plant body. Another one is that these spines or the thorns protect the plants from the grazing animals. It is a means of defense in the plants. The cactus, prickly pear, in the date palms, there are thorns present in different parts. They protect the plant from the grazers, and also to protect people taking away its or cutting off its parts. These are reduced into thorns. The dagger plant, in this plant the leaves are sharp, thorn-like structure, like a dagger. It looks like that's why the plant's name dagger plant it is given to the plant. A type of weed that is found in the nearby locality of us, that is the prickly poppy. This plant, the tips of these leaves are changed into thorns. This plant is also defended itself from the grazing animals and to protect their flowers. The leaf modification of thorns are present on the leaves. So students, in this video we have seen the parallel and reticulate venation present in the leaves. We studied simple and compound leaves. We also studied the modifications like leaf tendrils and the modification of leaves into spines, especially in the desert plants. We have seen some of the weed plants. They are having weeds having the thorns in their leaves. All these are for their defense. In desert plants, the thorns reduce the rate of transpiration and the stem do the process of photosynthesis. So children, I hope you understood whatever things we learned now. Thank you.